On this channel, we provide useful programming information with practical code examples. This time, we are discussing Shadow DOM in TypeScript. Shadow DOM is one of the key components of web components. It creates an encapsulated DOM tree that separates the component's style and structure from the outside. Here, we will provide a detailed explanation of the basics of Shadow DOM to its practical use cases, along with hands-on sample code. Enabling subtitles will make the code descriptions easier to understand. Shadow DOM is a web standard technology with the following characteristics. Encapsulation. Shadow DOM separates the internal DOM structure of a component from the outside. Other styles and scripts do not interfere, improving reusability. Independent style scope. Styles inside the Shadow DOM do not affect external CSS. Similarly, external styles do not apply within the Shadow DOM. Isolated DOM tree. Shadow DOM exists as a separate tree from the regular DOM, with restricted access from the parent DOM. The following code is the first example using Shadow DOM. The browser will display the blue text. This is inside Shadow DOM. The style of this text is not affected by external CSS. To use Shadow DOM, as shown in this code, you use the attach shadow method in JavaScript. Below are the basic steps. Creating custom elements. A custom element is a user-defined tag that you can create in addition to the standard HTML tags. In this step, you create a class that extends HTML element, like the myElement class, preparing the browser to recognize it as a new tag. By registering the created class with custom elements define, you can use it as a custom tag within HTML. Attaching Shadow DOM. By executing this attach shadow inside a custom element, you can create a Shadow DOM. Adding HTML and CSS inside the Shadow DOM. Within the Shadow DOM, you can define your own HTML structure and styles. For example, by setting HTML and CSS to inner HTML, you can give it an independent look and behavior without being affected by external CSS or HTML. This allows you to create encapsulated components. Shadow DOM has two modes, open and closed. Open mode. The shadow root attached to the Shadow DOM can be accessed externally. Closed mode. The shadow root attached to the Shadow DOM cannot be accessed externally. Below is a code example that shows the differences between the two modes. Choosing the closed mode makes the shadow root property inaccessible. Using Shadow DOM, you can completely encapsulate styles within your components. The following example demonstrates the separation of global styles and styles within the Shadow DOM. Elements inside the Shadow DOM are not affected by global styles and have their own unique styles applied. Next, we introduce an example of creating a custom tooltip using Shadow DOM. This code creates a custom tooltip and displays a styled tooltip on hover. Shadow DOM is a crucial technology for web components, providing an encapsulated DOM and style scope. Here, we covered the basics of Shadow DOM, its usage, mode differences, style encapsulation, and practical examples. By leveraging these, you can build reusable and robust components. The source code for this video can be downloaded from the official website. If you like, please visit the URL in the description to aid your learning. See you in the next video. Please subscribe and give us a thumbs up.